afternoon, or evening, depending where you're at in the world today. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I've got a challenge lock from Harry Ball. This is Pixie, so I'm going to try picking Pixie, number 142, Harry Ball. Let's see what we can do. Alrighty now. I love his challenge locks. I'm going to be using top of the keyway. I'm not so crazy about this twisted wrench, but we'll use it. Okay. And I'm going to pick it off this ledge right here. Let's see what we can do. Well, maybe not. That's wide open. I can get right in there. It's thin enough. All right, here we go. One is loose, two is binding. There we go. Three is binding. Four, five. So we do have 1, 2, 3, 4. I like count right on top. It's easy for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I always count wrong anyway when I'm doing this way. All right. Back to beginning. Go off this ledge this time. There we go. 1, I got a little bit of movement on that one. 2 feels good. Got to go back to the bottom here. 3, I don't like this pick. There we go. A little bit less of a curve. That's better. Just have to twist it a little bit. 1, 2. There we go. 3. Nice click out of 3. 4. And 5. Beginning. There's a click out of 1. 2. A little bit of movement. 3. Something dropped. Nice. We're at the beginning. I think 1 dropped. I fought my tension a little bit. There we go. 2, nice click out of 2, a little movement. 3, a little click. 'A little click out of 4. And that was 5. That couldn't have been 5. There's 1, 2. Nice. 3, 4. Getting a little bit of counter rotation there. Nice. Got a little movement. 5. Beginning. 1. That was nice. 2. Nice click out of 2. 3. Got a little movement there out of 3. 4 is binding. Nice. 5. Uh-oh, there goes my light. Back on. Beginning. 1. Nice one on 2. Gotta get, there we go. Binding, there you go. I think this is 4. Nice. And 5. Nice on 5. All right. Get the right. God darn this light. I don't know what I'm hitting. All right. Beginning. 1. 2. God, I think 1 just fell. I'm going back to 1. There you go. Gotta keep the pressure on here. 2, 3, binding. Nice. 4, 5. You know what? This really sucks. I don't know if I'm kicking something. It must be that. It's always something, right, guys? 1, 2, 3. I think I got you. I got you. Woo. Yeah. Nah, you know what? Mr. Easy's way in the corner sleeping. So, all right. All right. I got a bunch of Harry Bowles locks that I'm going to be picking. Oh, man. Thanks to Rob. Put this down here. Put it out there. I got to move light. There we go. What's do I need here? Clip remover. Yeah. All right. Put that there. Follower. I'll move it back a little bit. Right about there. Let me get a shim. Small shim. Okay, where'd I put my follower? No problems, no problems. There's the shim on my finger, okay. All right, let's see what we got. A little bit more down. Put this out a little bit. All right, number 1, standard. 2, ooh, nice little tapered down spoolish fella. 3, standard. 4, that looks like a weird one. No, just a kind of tapered down pin, but I'll go over these in 1 minute. All right. Let's see what we got going here. You get a little zoom. No, I guess not. Manual do it. There we go. Man, don't even want to know what that was. undercut on one. Two feels like it's undercut on the side. Light undercut. You can see the undercut here in 3. Yeah. They all got a little light undercut going here. No threading, just undercut. You can feel it. All right. Pull that out. Get a tweezer. Trying to do this through the camera, it's pretty hard. You know, I'm not even going to say it. All right, top pins. Nice, very nice. What we got here? This is a pin and pin. That's why one kept on dropping on me. All right. And we got, I don't know what just fell out there. Wait a minute. I got another spring here. I guess there was 2 springs in there. Maybe. We'll see. I don't think I didn't do anything like that. No. Okay. Take it a little slower. Really nice hourglass shaped pin. I'm checking out this spring. Make sure we get this right now. There's only 1 spring in there. Yeah. You know what? I've got to pull back. Way too close. All right. Working on 3. Nice pin there. Nice serrated pin. Get the spring out. That's 3. Nice, tough springs in these. All right. That was 4. Serrated. Okay, the last one here. Wow, what the heck is that? That is a weird... Wait till you see this pin. I don't know what that's made out of. I don't think anything's done. Let's see. No, nothing's done there. I'm backing this out. And that's why I'm having problem too. All right, let's get a close-up in these pins. First, I got to check out this last pin here. What is that? Wow, check this out. It's a spring-loaded pin. I'm not going to... All right, I can take it out. There you see the little spring on there. I am not going to lose that. Really cool. I've seen this. It's almost like this comes out of a maybe lighter or something like that. And he put this pin in there. Excellent work. All right, let's dig a little deeper here. Bring this up a little closer for you. Yeah, standard one. A really nice tapered down kind of spool with a serration in it. A standard. That's kind of neat too. It's tapered down, almost round, but with a serration. And we have one serration in here. Top pins. This is a pin and pin. Like a little barrel here. This is like a nice spool. It's like an hourglass. It looks like it's very nicely done. Double serrated pin here. Another tapered down pin. It's not a pin and pin, is it? No, it's just a very nicely done serrated pin. And of course, this last one here, as you saw, spring loaded. Very cool. This is PIXIE. PIXIE by Harry Bell. Thanks for watching this. Another episode of Thumpers. Hit the like and subscribe button. Tell a friend. And don't put your pics in anyone else's locks unless you what? Have explicit permission. Thanks for watching. I'm gone.